Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the coolest, literally, Canadian foam mattresses on the market, the Douglas Summit. This is Douglas's top tier all foam model, not the original, not the Alpine. This is the Summit, their peak upgrade. It's 12 inches thick, fully Canadian made, and packed with cooling tech you don't normally see in all foam beds. And honestly, this one surprised me more than I expected. Not in a dramatic way, just in that quiet, oh wait, this feels well designed kind of way. We're going to break down the construction, the feel, performance scores, who it's best for, and of course, whether it's actually worth the $1,299 price tag. So let's jump in. The Douglas Summit is the premium model in Douglas's lineup. It comes in at $1,299 for a queen and includes a 365-night sleep trial, a free comfort sleep bundle, and free shipping plus free returns. It's a 12-inch all-foam mattress built with upgraded cooling, enhanced pressure relief, and excellent motion isolation. If you've tried the original Douglas, the Summit is basically the everything upgraded version. A couple of quick highlights. Fully Canadian made, 3 specialized foam layers, the Cryo Fusion cooling cover, triple action cooling, latex alternative transition foam, eco-friendly materials, and a washable cover, which I always appreciate. So on paper, it's designed to sleep cooler and isolate movement better and offer deeper pressure relief than the base model. Let's peel back the layers. First, cooling CoolSense cover with Cryo Fusion nanofibers. Soft, breathable, and fully washable. It uses cooling nanofibers that actually reduce surface heat. It feels noticeably cooler to the touch compared to typical polyester knit covers. Second, 2.5 inches of Eco-Light cooling gel foam plus polar phase change materials. This is the Summit's major upgrade. Triple action cooling plus gel plus PCM. PCM basically absorbs heat when you're warm and releases it when your environment cools down, helping maintain a steady temperature. Third, 2.5 inches of Elastex foam. This is a latex alternative. It is more responsive than memory foam. It helps with spinal alignment, makes it easier to move around without feeling stuck, and it is more eco-friendly and allergy-friendly compared to natural latex. Fourth, 7 inches of high-density support foam. This is the foundation layer that creates a stability and motion isolation. Simple, but intelligently engineered construction that focuses heavily on cooling and motion absorption. Here's the Summit's profile. Firmness, medium firm. Height, 12 inches. Type, all foam. The feel is interesting. Here's how I describe it. The surface feels cool and soft at first touch. Then you slowly sink into deeper pressure relief, but you never feel stuck or swallowed. The weight distribution is very even and stable. It's not plush and it's not stiff. It's right in that balanced zone. So if you want that calm, secure, slightly elevated foam sensation, this does it really well. Not much bounce, but a lot of comfort. Let's break down the performance categories based on testing and real use. Temperature control, 9.2 out of 10. Foam mattresses usually trap heat, but the Summit genuinely regulates temperature better than most all foam models. PCM plus gel plus cooling fibers equals a cooler night's sleep. You're a warm sleeper, this is one of the best foam options in Canada before jumping into a hybrid. Pressure relief. For side sleepers, this is where the Summit shines. Shoulders and hips sink in evenly without creating pressure points. And the medium firm helps you keep your spine aligned. It has that slow, cushioned relief without feeling mushy. Motion isolation, 10 out of 10. This mattress barely moves. If your partner shifts, rolls, twitches, or if your pet hops onto the bed at 3 a.m., you're not waking up. One of the strongest categories for the Summit. Edge support, 9.7 out of 10. Most foam mattresses collapse on the sides, this one doesn't. You can sit or lie near the edge without sliding off. Very impressive for an all-foam bed in a box. Ease of movement, not bouncy, but not sticky either. The latex alternative transition foam helps keep movement smooth and prevents that held in place feeling. Overall cooling, the triple action cooling system, nanofibers plus gel plus PCM, makes it noticeably cooler than most foam competitors. So who is it for? The Douglas Summit is great for side sleepers, back sleepers, couples or light sleepers, warm sleepers, people who need strong pressure relief, budget conscious shoppers who want premium cooling, eco conscious Canadians, and anyone who wants a clean clean washable cover, and people sensitive to partner movements. Because of the stability and cooling, it works for most average weight sleepers. So who skips on this one? Strict stomach sleepers. Hips may sink a bit too much. Anyone wanting bounce? There's no coils, no spring. People over 230 pounds, a hybrid would give better lift. And if you want a mattress that snaps back or feels lively, this isn't it. This is calm, cushioned, and absorbent. At $1,299 for a queen, the Summit is slightly above the Canadian average of $1,155. But consider 12-inch height, triple action cooling, 365-night trial, free returns, free sleep bundle, made in Canada, a 9.2 cooling score, 10 out of 10 motion isolation, 9.7 edge support. It honestly has strong value. It scored higher than 99% of other foam mattresses in performance testing. So if you want a cool, quiet, balanced foam mattress without paying hybrid prices, this is one of the strongest all foam options. Final verdict, should you buy it? If you want an all foam mattress that feels stable, cool, and incredibly motion isolating, the Douglas Summit is genuinely one of the most reliable options in Canada right now. It's not the springiest and not the firmest, but it's consistent. It stays cool, it reduces pressure, and it won't interrupt your sleep. With a year-long trial, free returns, and 15-year warranty, it's basically a risk-free upgrade. I'll drop links in the description for current deals. And if you want a comparison between this and another brand, let me know in the comments. As always, if this video helped you out at all, we'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Sleep well, my friends, and I'll see you in the next one.